One push, hard wind, and then it flipped right over.
What was going through your mind?
Oh man, I was scared.
Hun Sing was up in his top floor Chelsea apartment when wind started shaking his porch. He looked out to see the overhang flying away, thankfully landing flat on his roof instead of going somewhere worse.
I was just scared it'd fly out and hit somebody.
But wind was dangerous elsewhere, toppling a pedestrian walk signal in Chelsea, injuring a mother walking her daughter home from school. The mom will be okay. Her daughter escaped without a scratch. But these boats in Fall River took a beating. Winds knocked 3 off their stands. Wild wind broke trees and power lines, sending sparks flying in Ashland, also shutting down Ashland Animal Control, forcing dogs and cats to another building. The damage closing roads and leaving this home unlivable. The tree cutting the house through the middle. All in all, folks with damage counting themselves lucky.
You're very lucky.
Oh yeah, I am.
That man staying in his home tonight, but these folks not as lucky. They have to stay somewhere else tonight. Live in Wellesley, Sean Shai about WCV.